our dear friends Los Carrozones, an incredible and amazing Italian-Spanish band,
yes,
playing all over Europe and all over the world.
Yes.
And
we are bringing the music of Renato Carosone all around the world because it is all around the world. Renato Carosone is a key for worldwide success, as a matter of fact.
So thank you for being here in Sanremo with Paparazzi. And now, we can't wait to listen to the first song.
Yes, we're bringing you one of the most ironic songs of the repertoire of Renato Carosone. It's called Pigliate una pastiglia, which means take a pill.
Yes!
We're talking about a different pill. It's the 50s, so we have an Italian lover who keeps everybody up with his guitar, serenading his would-be girlfriend, but she doesn't want him. So all the neighbors come up from their windows shouting to him, take a pill, please go to sleep. There's nothing gonna happen here tonight.
That pill is the one pill that we take when Cinzia Bancone is here. Not to fall in love with her.
Romantic.
So romantic. To take a lot of pills.
You can dedicate it to me.
Yes, with pleasure.
Oh my God, something happening here. Okay, Los Carrozones live with Paparazzi.
Canta Napoli! Napoli in farmacia! Io cammino ogni notte, io cammino spariando, io non tengo mai sonno, non chiudo mai gli occhi e non bevo caffè. Fate cocca, sienta a me, fate cocca, sienta a me. Una persiana che sbatte, un lampione che luce. E un ubriaco che dice bussando una porta, me la non c'è, a 3 mesi non dormo più. Una bucchella voleva scurtare, gente decida ma come già fa? Pigliate una pastiglia, vamos! Pigliate una pastiglia, sienta a me, per me fa dormire, per me fa scurtare il mio dolce amor. Pigliate una pastiglia, pigliate una pastiglia, sienta a me, e mi fa sentire come un gran pascià e mi inebria il cuore, tinte vetrine, tutte farmaciste. La vecchia che mi l'ha dato il posto alle palline, glicero e fosfato e bromo televisionato, DDT, bicarbonato e borotalche, semeline, cataplasma, panine con un mezzo litro vino ed un caffè con caffeina, grammi 003. Pigliate una pastiglia, senta a me.
What a fantastic band! You can't miss Carrozone if you come to Europe or if you go to New York City, of course. So they are fantastic. Eddie.